Welcome to the GBE Cars and Bikes Mechanics Project, a global initiative run by members all over the world. We are building the infrastructure for professional repair garages, diagnostics centers, and parts distribution networks that create jobs and long-term financial growth for every member involved. We need tires and wheel alignment experts, engine and transmission technicians, and mobile mechanic providers. We welcome spare parts suppliers, retailers, and fleet maintenance specialists. We promote your expertise in your garage throughout our entire global association, providing the tools you need to earn more money and create a second income. Go to joingbe.com and select the Diaspora Business Association nearest to the region where you live. Create your account and select a project. That's it. Now as a member, you can network with professionals in your industry, monitor the project feed, and by completing small tasks from the blueprint, you acquire points. The more you contribute, the more shares you gain. As your shares increase and the project grows, you receive equity, performance rewards, and profit shares. Go to joingbe.com.